Hello. In this class, we are going to discuss some important questions in polynomials. Polynomials in factorization is one of the part in polynomials. But in factorization, you will get some some difficult questions to factorize. So here I have taken three questions. The first question is a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. The second question is a to the power of 6 minus b to the power of 6. And third question is x to the power of 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. You require to factorize these questions. Before factorizing these three questions, you require to know the algebraic identity of these two. If you know these two algebraic identities, you can factorize these questions easily. If I see the first question, my first question is x to the power sine a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus a plus b. This I can write a cube plus b cube plus a plus b, just to use these brackets. Now this is a cube plus b cube. I already given the formula, that is a cube plus b cube. I can write it is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. This is the expansion of a cube plus b cube plus a plus b is there. Now this is one, and this one you will get the common as a plus b common. Then if we make a plus b common, then a square plus b square minus ab is plus 1. So these two are the factors of the given question. And you can extend also by adding a plus ab and subtracting minus ab. This become a plus b whole square, but it will be minus 1. If it is minus 1, it will be happen, but it is not happen. You stop this question here only. A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab plus 1. These two are the factors of the first question. So by seeing this question, though you don't feel it is very hard, just you apply this a cube plus b cube, and afterwards a plus b will be common in the question. The second one, it is very interesting. Go for the second one. So here it is given that a to the power of 6 plus minus b to the power of 6. You want to factorize this one. This I can write a square whole cube minus b square whole cube. Now, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So, if you expand this in this form, then it will be a minus b. In place of a, you want to write a square minus b square. This is a minus b of a square, a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus ab means a square b square. So this is the next step. If you expand it in the form of a cube minus b cube, we will get this one. So my next step is a square minus b square. And what I am doing here, a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a square b square. Just I am adding again one a square b square and subtracting a square b square. So I am adding a square b square and subtracting a square b square. Now what happened, you see, this is a square minus b square. Next is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a square b square plus a square b square 2a square b square minus a square b square. This is my second step, and this become a square minus b square into, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, because this I can write as x square whole square. A square whole square, this is b square whole square, this is 2a square b square, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. I can write this is x square plus a square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. So like this we can write this. Now this one I can write as a plus b into a minus b, because of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. And this become, again this is also a square minus b square only. So a square plus b square plus ab is one factor. And the next one is a square plus b square minus ab. So these four are the factors of the given question. So a to the power of 6 and minus b to the power of 6, if you factorize, you will get 4 factors here. So just I wrote the given question in the form of a cube minus b cube. Afterwards, I expanded this in the form of a cube minus b cube for format. So afterwards, just here I added one a square b square and I subtracted another a square b square. Then it becomes a square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. Again, it is in the form of a square minus b square. This is also in the form of direct a square minus b square. This factorization is a plus b into a minus b. If you write this is a plus b and a minus b. So like this you can factorize this question. The last one, it is also very interesting. You see the last question. This is called as a reducible polynomial. If you reduce it and afterwards you substitute that value, you will get the factors. So the question is x to the power of 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. So here what I am doing, let x cube is equal to y equal. Let x cube is equal to y. Then it will become y square minus 7y minus 8. Now it is a quadratic polynomial, you know how to split it. So according to the middle term splitting, you can factorize this. So just you can write y square minus 8y plus y minus 8. So if you add, you want to get minus 7, and if you multiply, you want to get minus 8. So y is common, y minus 8 plus 1 is common, y minus. So again afterwards, y minus 8 into y plus 1. But y is equal to x cube. Now you substitute that x cube value in the question. This becomes x cube minus 8 and x cube plus 1. So now my question is x cube minus 8 I can write 2 cube, and this is x cube plus 1 I can write 1 cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Now if you expand it, a cube minus b cube, a minus b means x minus 2 into x square plus b square means plus 4, my plus ab means 2x, and this is a plus b, a cube plus b cube. This becomes a plus b means x plus 1 into a square means x square plus b square means 1 minus ab means minus x. So the factors are x minus 2 into x plus 1 into, if you write in order, this is x square plus 2x plus 4, and this is x square minus x plus 1. So these are the factors of the given question. So this is very interesting. So first you reduce it by taking x cube is equal to y. Then it will become into quadratic polynomial. Afterwards you split the middle term and you will get the two factors, that is y minus 8 and y plus 1. Now you substitute the value of y as x cube. Then it will become x cube minus 8 and x cube plus 1. X cube minus 8 you can write as 2 to the power of 3. X cube plus 1 you can write as 1 cube. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. This is the form of a cube plus b cube. Now again we expand it, we will get 4 factors of the given question. So this is the very interesting question, and you require to solve these type of questions for your annual examination purpose. And another one interesting question I am going to explain, that it is not factorization, but in polynomial, one identity is there, that is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is one identity is there, and condition based identity is there. On this condition, you will get so many questions in your exam. So by seeing those questions, you feel very hard. If you apply this condition, then the question become very easy. Here my question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, prove that a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab is equal to 2. We see this question, you feel very complicated, but if you concentrate on the given condition, that is given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So given that what is given, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we know that then a cube plus b cube plus c cube should be equals to 3abc. This condition you write down first, and afterwards you go for the simplification of the given question. So that is a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. This is our LHS. Now the LCM is BC, CA and AB. You know that A, BC. BC is there. You want to multiply with A. This becomes AQ and this becomes BQ and this becomes CQ. Now what I got A cube plus B cube plus C cube in a numerator. Then you know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Just you substitute here 3ABC by ABC. Then these two will be cancelled and you will get 3, that is RHS. So this is the method to prove A square by B square plus B square by CA plus C square by AB is equal to 3, where A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Here A plus B plus C is given 0 means you should know that this identity, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube, should be equals to 3A BC. By using this identity, you can solve these type of questions very easy. Going to next question. This is also very interesting. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 35, find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So this is also very interesting. I think he's asked that. Okay. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC last time. So you know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C of A plus B plus C of A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. So if you see this, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, here A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C is given as 0. This is A square plus B square plus C square minus, to make AB plus BC plus CA. I think it is not 0. It will be is given as 10. Sorry. This is A plus B plus C is equal to 10. Then A square plus B square plus C square minus 3A is equal to 35. Then he is asking to find the value of this one. So this is 10. Now A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal. This is 10 into A square plus B square plus C square is 35 minus AB plus BC plus CA. This is the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. But we require to find the value of this value. We can get that value by this one, which is given that A plus B plus C is equal to 10. So squaring on both sides, that is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 100. So it becomes A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to 100. So this A square plus B square, this is 35 is given. This is 35 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. This 100 is given. So if you send this one, is 2 of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 100 minus 35, which become 65. Now AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 65 by 2. So this is the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Now this value becomes 10 into 35 minus, this is 65 by 2. Then this becomes 10 into 70 minus 65 will become 75. minus 65 become 10 by 2. So 2 5 the answer is 50. So this is the answer of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a bc is equal to 50. Here a plus b plus c is equal to 10 is given. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35 is given. Is asking to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a bc. So you know the formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 3a bc is equal to, this is the formula. You know the value of a plus b plus c. You know the value of AB plus BC plus CA, but you don't know the value of A square plus B square plus C square. That value you will get the from given, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 100. So this is A plus B plus C is equal to 100. If you're squaring on both sides, you will get the value of 2AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 65. Then that is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 65 by 2. That value, if you substitute, you will get the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 50. So this is one of the interesting questions. So there are some interesting questions also is there, but the length of the video is very heavy. So afterwards I will explain those questions in the next class. So these are very important questions in factorization. You concentrate these type of questions. Thank you.